Hi, I'm Mark with Hothead Headliners. What we're going to show today is how to install the TJ headliners. What we're going to do is we're going to mark where each piece of Velcro is going to go, and then we're going to put it on the top individually. Then we're going to let that Velcro cure for 2 days, the adhesive on it, and then we're going to actually put our panels in. So the first thing you're going to do is clean your hardtop with acetone, as good as you can. Every place where the headliner is going to go. And I have this sitting on a table right now. You can do this with your top on. You do not have to take your hardtop off. And one thing I want to say right off the bat is this is not a TJ hardtop. This is a hardtop for a YJ, but the principles are going to be exactly the same, so you shouldn't have any problem following the directions I'm going to lay out. With every kit, you're going to get one of these little sticks that shows where the Velcro goes, side to side. It's going to have a front and a rear because the Velcro is not in exactly the same spots on the front and rear. So the first thing you're going to do after you've cleaned your hardtop is you're going to basically look at this thing and kind of see the layout of it. I'm just laying it here so you guys can see. On the TJ hardtop, there's these ridges that stick up. The Velcro is not going to stick on the ridges, it's going to stick in between. So you can see this is the front stick. This corresponds exactly to these. So I want you to kind of dry fit your panel, not taking this off, put it in place. You're going to be able to see exactly where it goes in the front and kind of where it fits on the sides. Okay, once you visualize that, pull it out, and then you can lay your stick in here and kind of even it up. See, on this top it's not going exactly to the edges, but on the TJ top it is going to fit exactly where that panel is going to fit. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a pencil. Get a pencil from yourself. We're not going to send you one. I think it works the best because it's not going to leave a big mark. And just make a little mark where every piece of this Velcro is going to go. Okay, all the way across. Then you're going to do a second one so you can get it on straight. The front panel of these is pretty big. You're going to make a second mark, just like this. And then the other thing we need to know is how far from the front edge to start putting these on. Now on the TJ panel, there is a front piece across here. We give you a 2-inch strip of this, even though it's only a 1-inch strip of that. This is the loop, that is the hook. So we're going to have you measure. It's 3/4 of an inch from the front and 2 3/4 from the back. So you're going to go right to the front of this and put a little mark 3/4 and 2 3/4 and put another one, and then you're going to put that first piece right along here, and then the other ones you can see these are all the same. Your back may not be the same. I gotta wait till I get to it. I think it may be. So those are 4 inches from the front. So we got our marks this way. We put a little mark 4-inch. And what I would do is I would install this piece first. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The one thing you want to do with this Velcro is don't just pull the whole back off. It's too easy for it to stick to itself. You're never going to get it apart then. And it's hard to get straight that way. What you want to do is just peel a few inches back. I'm going to see side to side. You want to get an idea side to side. You just want it even. It's about 3/4 of an inch from the edge. So what you want to do is just stick about 1 inch of it, and then you can come over to the other side and lay it in there perfectly straight, and then just peel this back like this and just lay it down. It's super easy to put on like that. It's hard to grab that. Our front piece. If you take the cellophane, it's very easy. Works very good to push down on this. If you just rub it with your fingers, the friction, it makes it really hot. But this runs across it really smooth. We have our front piece on. I'm going to give you an example of one of these pieces. Okay, we got our little mark. It's 4 inches from the front and right there where we're going to go. So we're going to peel just a little bit back. 4 inches from the front. And then we can pull it perfectly straight, exactly on the lines. Lay it down. Now you're going to put all 6 pieces down. Then we're going to do the rear. I'm going to show that really quick. Let this adhesive on here cure for 2 days, 48 hours, and then you're just going to slide your panel in place and push up. These will be in exactly the right spots. Your panel sticks. This Velcro sticks to here very good. That's it. Okay, here's the rear panel for your TJ. I'm just going to walk you through this. It's super easy. You can see the panel, these big sections where there's no Velcro, because this side of the panel goes up underneath the sound bar. Okay, so if you take this piece, slide it where it's going to go, see where the back edge lines up with the back of the hardtop. On this side of the stick it says rear, so you see they correspond with that. You're going to take your stick, you're going to put your marks, second set of marks, so you can put it front to back. These are really short, so these got to be pretty close together. Measure from the back here. They're all the same. It's 1.5 inches directly from the back where this back's going to fit. Put your pieces of Velcro on. These are not going to go up underneath the sound bar, so you won't have any problem to do that. And then you're just going to, after 2 days, when the adhesion's all set, you're going to slide your panel in place and install this. Perfect.